Hey everybody, I know it's been about a month since I posted a video, but I've been doing a little work on the Mustang. Not as much as I'd like to, but it's been so dang hot here in California. But nonetheless, a couple things. What I'm working on today is installing a MSD box. I'm putting it inside the fender well here. If you can see it on the back side, basically behind where my battery is, and running the wires through. And I'm experimenting to try to do a bunch of this white loom cover, replace the black with the white. Might tidy it up a little bit. A couple other things I did recently was I did the TFI module relocation. As you can see, there's the harness there. This is the McCulley Racing. So the harness runs there. I rerouted the harness straight back here and pulled the TFI harness out, and I mounted it right here, basically in front of the shock tower. As you can see, that's as far as the original TFI harness would reach. I'll probably put the white wire loom on that and the McCulley Race to try to bundle those two together. And I got some fatter loom. I'm gonna try to clean up that here and maybe the one in the front, and whatever ones I can to make it blend in a little more. Maybe hit this headlight harness and the alternator charging cable. But you know, I went ahead and switched out the red Ford racing wires. I was trying to tie into the red piping on the seats. Didn't really care for that too much, so went ahead with the black Ford racing wires. And I did get this bad boy, the little Odyssey PC545. It's been working real well. I just had to pull it out because I had to, obviously the mounts for the MSD box go right here, and I'm putting these little pads over top of the screws because the battery goes right there, pretty tight up against the wall there. While I had that out, I took a wire brush and got all the rust and everything out of there, and just shot it with some white paint because eventually this is all going to be wire tucked, so I wasn't too concerned with it. But knocked off the surface rust and just hit it with a little bit of white to cover up the flaked off paint. So anyway, I'm going to finish up installing this MSD box. I already tested it and it works pretty good. Seems to help the little lower end throttle response a little bit. But I've done that. This is a new Summit coil, new Ford Racing, and then this is a little Spectra off of Amazon, a Spectra distributor. I figured I'd give it a shot. It's the one that had the best reviews and was only like $70. So I figured I'd give that a shot because I noticed when I was checking my timing, the timing was bouncing around quite a bit. So I figured I'd try a new distributor, see if I can get nice solid timing there, and with the extra spark of the MSD box, maybe smooth out any low end little misses or what have you. But anyway, I'm going to finish this up, get the battery back in there and the fender cover and the tire back on. And I already checked the box, it does work. So, but today I had to come home and just get it all mounted after work. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. Trying to get ready for the track.